Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
What are causes of angina? What are common triggers? The answer of the question is angina is primarily caused by reduced blood flow of the heart muscle, typically due to coronary artery disease (CAD). The narrowing of blockage of the coronary arteries restricts the supply of oxygen-rich blood to the heart, lead, leading to episodes of angina. Common cause of triggers of angina include 1. Coronary artery disease (CAD). The most common cause of angina is CAD, where fatty deposits, plaques, build up inside the coronary arteries, reducing blood flow. 2. Atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is the process where plaques of cholesterol, fats, and other substances accumulate in the arteries, narrowing them over time. 3. Spasm of coronary arteries. Sometimes the coronary arteries can undergo spasm, temporarily reducing blood flow of the heart muscle. This variant of angina is called variant angina or Prinzmantle's angina. Common triggers of angina include physical exertion, activities that require increased oxygen demand from the heart, such as exercising, climbing stairs, or lifting heavy objects. 2. Emotional stress. Emotional stress or anxiety can trigger angina episodes due to increased heart rate and blood pressure. 3. Cold weather. Exp- exposure. Exposure to cold temperatures can cause blood vessels to constrict, reducing blood flow to the heart. 4. Heavy meals. Large meal can divert blood flow to the digestive system, reducing the amount of blood available to the heart. 5. Smoking. Tobacco smoke contains chemicals that can damage the lining of blood vessels and promote the formation to arterial plaques. 6. High blood pressure or into hypertension. Elevated blood pressure can increase the workload on the heart, leading to angina episodes. 7. Other factors. Factors such as cocaine use, severe anemia, and certain medications like stimulants or medications that constrict blood vessels can also trigger or worsen angina. Understanding these causes and triggers is important in managing and preventing angina episodes. Individuals with angina should work closely with their healthcare providers to identify specific triggers and develop strategies to reduce their risk of angina attacks. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I'll be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.